Welcome to GCD Technologies. What is DevOps and is it has any relation with our software testing? See, first, what is DevOps? DevOps, it is a combination of two words. One is development. Just a minute. Development. Another is operations. Development plus operations equals to DevOps. Say development, software development. Software testing is an integral part of software development. Software development means development and testing. Development and testing. Before releasing the software, testing is mandatory. So software development means development and testing. Next, operations. Operations means production. See, usage of software, real usage of software in customer environment, end user environment. See, one is development and second one is usage of software. Usage of software is called production. Production means operations. See, DevOps, development and operations. Say, DevOps, is it technology? No, it is not technology. Is it software? No. For example, Java is software, MS Office is software, Oracle is software, Selenium is software, TestNG is software, JUnit is software, Eclipse IDE is software, Acrobat Reader is software, Notepad is software. What about DevOps? DevOps is not a software. DevOps is not a technology. Then what is DevOps? DevOps is a methodology. It is a process, or you can say it is a methodology. In some documentations, you can find DevOps is a culture. Yes, that one also correct. So DevOps is a methodology. It is not a technology or software. Okay, it is extension of, some people say it is extension of Agile development methodology. See, Agile development, Agile method, Agile software development method. Agile development method has two important environments, software development and software testing. Next, DevOps, software development plus software testing plus software operations, production. So you can say it is extension of Agile methodology. Okay, next, is it has any relation with software testing? Yes, DevOps has a relation with software testing. See, in DevOps, we have several continuous processes, continuous development, continuous testing, continuous integration, continuous delivery, continuous deployment, continuous monitoring, several continuous practices. See, in these DevOps processes, our software testing process also an integral part. So in DevOps environment, we have software testing. See, most of the time we may use software tested tools like Selenium, etc. for software testing in DevOps environment. Why? Quick process. See, continuous testing is there. Quick process is there. So automation is required. Thank you.